The burger block and reversal candles indicator is available for various platforms on the Tradingfinder website. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Search for the indicator on TradingView and apply it to your chart. Add it to Auto Favorites for quick access. For category C, we search for the indicator's name in the indicator section on TradingView and run it on the price chart by selecting the indicator. To make it quicker and easier to access the indicator, activate this option from the Auto Favorites section so it gets added to your indicators. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts searching and drawing profit, burger blocks in green, and loss, burger blocks in red. For a more concise and easy to follow indicator, enable this option from the Auto Favorites section to add it to your indicators. Once placed on the chart, the indicator searches and draws profit burger blocks in green and loss burger blocks in red. It identifies reversal candlestick patterns and displays trading signals. This breaker block limit was identified and plotted for us based on this order block candlestick, which also faced a price reaction. This indicator identifies reversal candlestick patterns and displays trading signals to traders. In the settings section, under the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, you can specify the pivot period, which is used to identify order blocks and burger blocks. The higher this number, the longer term trends it identifies, and the lower this number, the shorter term trends it identifies. In the settings section, in the input section, there are options for us. In the first part, you can specify the pivot period, which is used to identify order blocks and burger blocks. The higher this number is, the longer term trends it identifies, and the lower this number is, the shorter term trends it identifies. The next section is about the validity of the burger block limit, which is set to 500 by default. Increasing this number makes the limit more valid, and if it stays at this 500 number or your desired number, and the price doesn't react to or reach that limit, then that limit becomes invalid. The next section is about mitigation, which has three options available: proximal, 50% OB, and distal. By selecting the proximal option, it considers the closest range to the price as the price reaction range. Proximal 50% OB, distal. By selecting the proximal option, it considers the closest range to the price as the price reaction range. By selecting the second option, it considers the 50% range as the reaction range. And by selecting the third option, it considers a wider range as the price reaction range. The next part is about identifying order blocks and drawing the burger blocks. Selecting the first option, for lower risk traders, identifies a larger limit to reduce trading risk. Choosing the aggressive option displays a smaller range for more risk-tolerant traders. The aggressive option is default. Uncheck the box for the defensive limit, showing the entire order block. Aggressive mode identifies the order block at 50% or relative to the limited order block. We've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. Please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. The range is displayed as a lower one and is suitable for traders who are more risk-averse, which is in the form of a bullish trend, and for defensive mode by disabling this tick. The defensive limit is displayed for us, which identifies the entire order block limit, while in the aggressive mode, it identifies the order block at 50% or relative to the limited order block, and draws it for us. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would love for you to share your thoughts and suggestions with us in the comments section.